I have a 23 horsepower Vanguard engine that has no spark. I took it to a shop who told me the flywheel was rusty and needed to be replaced. That is why there is not spark. Is this the reason, or can there be some other problem?
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
Probably 10 or 12 years. Code 09110411.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, as I purchased a replacement, but would like to get it running. I disassembled to the flywheel and it is rusty, but not like I had expected.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. It won't be by flywheel. Does it have the 2 ignition coils? Remove the single kill wires from the coils and check for spark. If it has spark, the wire that runs from the coils to the harness has bad diodes and is killing the spark.
Okay, I will try that. I am not working on it right now. But we'll try that.
Okay.
It does have 2 coils. How close are the coils supposed to be to the flywheel?
0.010 inch. It may not be the diode harness. If you find a spark, then plug the diode harness back to the coils, and move up to the connection after the diode harness, and check again. The wire from the key switch may be grounding out the spark. Or can be a bad key switch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.